Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
I have studied the path of understanding self-knowledge from my spiritual master, the personality of Godhead, and thus after circumambulating him I have come to this place very much aggrieved due to separation. Sri Uddhava's actual life is the direct symbol of the Shloki Bhagavatam enunciated first to Brahmaji by the personality of Godhead. These 4 very great and important verses from Srimad Bhagwatam are particularly taken out by the Mayavadi speculators who construe a different purport to suit their impersonal view of monism. Here is the proper answer to such unauthorized speculators. The verses of Srimad Bhagwatam are purely theistic science, understandable by the postgraduate students of Bhagavad Gita. The unauthorized dry speculators are offenders at the lotus feet of the Lord Sri Krishna because they distort the purports of Bhagavad Gita and Srimad Bhagwatam to mislead the public and prepare a direct path to the hell known as Andhata Misra. As confirmed in Bhagavad Gita, such envious speculators are without knowledge and are surely condemned life after life. They unnecessarily take shelter of Sripada Shankaracharya, but he was not so drastic as to commit an offence at the lotus feet of Lord Krishna. According to Lord Sri Caitanya Mahaprabhu, Sripada Shankaracharya preached the Mayavad philosophy for a particular purpose. Such a philosophy was necessary to defeat the Buddhist philosophy of the non-existence of the spirit soul, but it was never meant for perpetual acceptance. It was an emergency. Thus Lord Krishna was accepted by Shankaracharya as the Supreme Personality of Godhead in his commentary on Bhagavad Gita. Since he was a great devotee of Lord Krishna, he did not dare write any commentary on Srimad Bhagwatam because that would have been a direct offence at the lotus feet of the Lord. But later speculators, in the name of Mayavad philosophy, unnecessarily make their commentary on the Shloki Bhagavatam without any bona fide intent. The monistic dry speculators have no business in the Srimad Bhagwatam because this particular Vedic literature is forbidden for them by the great author himself. Srila Vyasadeva has definitely forbidden persons engaged in religiosity, economic development, sense gratification and, finally, salvation from trying to understand Srimad Bhagwatam, which is not meant for them. Sripada Sridhara Swami, the great commentator on Srimad Bhagwatam, has definitely forbidden the Salvationists or Monists to deal in Srimad Bhagwatam. It is not for them. Yet such unauthorized persons perversely try to understand Srimad Bhagwatam, and thus they commit offences at the feet of the Lord, which even Sripada Shankaracharya dared not do. Thus they prepare for their continuation of miserable life. It should be particularly noted herein that Uddhava studied the Shloki Bhagavatam directly from the Lord, who spoke them first to Brahmaji, and this time the Lord explained more confidentially the self-knowledge mentioned as the Paramam Sthitim. Upon learning such self-knowledge of love, Uddhava felt very much aggrieved by feelings of separation from the Lord. Unless one is awakened to the stage of Uddhava, everlastingly feeling the separation of the Lord in transcendental love, as exhibited by Lord Caitanya also, one cannot understand the real import of the 4 essential verses of Srimad Bhagwatam. One should not indulge in the unauthorized act of twisting the meaning and thereby putting himself on the dangerous path of offence.